I run a LinkedIn outbound service and I'm in other people's accounts every single day. I see what's working and way more often what isn't. Here's the thing I keep seeing. There are experts on LinkedIn who are genuinely good at what they do. Deep expertise, real results, people their clients swear by, and they're completely invisible. Not because they're not good enough, not because LinkedIn doesn't work, but because they're using the platform in a way that was never going to build authority. That's what today is about. What keeps experts invisible? Specifically, what visible authorities do differently, and how you go from one to the other. So here's the frame. Expertise gets you the result. Visibility gets you the opportunity to deliver it. Most experts have the first. Almost nobody has built second. LinkedIn is the best tool alive for closing that gap, but only if you understand how visibility actually gets built here. Let's talk about what's in the way. There are 5 patterns. These are the things I see inside accounts every day that keep good people invisible. Keep a mental count of how many sound like you. Most hit 2 or 3, some have them all. It doesn't matter. That's just where you're starting. Mistake number 1. Most LinkedIn profiles read like this: a job title, company name, bullet points about responsibilities, and dates. That's a digital resume. And a resume is a document about you, written for you. But the person you're trying to reach doesn't care about you yet. They care about their problem. The profiles that actually generate inbound are written for one person, the exact buyer you want. Every line answers one question: why should I care? If somebody lands on your profile and can't answer that in 10 seconds, they're gone and they're probably never coming back. You're an invisible expert with an impressive resume, but nobody's buying a resume. Mistake number 2. I'm going to read you a connection request and you tell me if you've seen something like this. Maybe you've even sent something like this. Hi, so and so. I noticed we're both in the same industry. I'd love to connect and explore potential synergies. The person reading this knows exactly what's coming next: a pitch. And the moment they sense it, the wall goes up. And once that wall's up, it's almost never coming back down. Here's the rule: the connection request has one job: get accepted. That's it. There's no pitch in the connection request, no soft one, no subtle one, not even a hint of one. Your outreach is either building trust or destroying it. There's no neutral. Number 3, someone accepts your connection, and then 24 hours later, you send them your services. Then they ghost you. And here's the part that stings: you didn't do anything wrong. You followed up. You were persistent. All the things you're supposed to be when you're selling. But you asked for something before you gave them a single reason to trust you. Think about what they actually know about you at that point. They accepted a connection request, and that's it. They don't know if you're any good. They don't know if you understand their world. They don't know if you're even worth 30 minutes of their time. You're a stranger who just asked for a meeting. The ask only works when the relationship is warm enough to hold it. When it comes too early, it confirms you're just like everyone else in their inbox. Visible authorities earn the ask. Invisible experts make it too early. Mistake number 4. A lot of experts decide the answer to invisibility is posting more. Tips, insights, thought leadership, personal stories, and nothing changes. Here's the honest truth: the content without outbound is a hope strategy. You're posting and hoping the right person sees you at the right time or at the right moment. Content is not the engine, content is the credibility. When you reach out to somebody and they check your profile, what they find either confirms you're worth their time or it doesn't. That's what content is for. Outbound is the engine, content is the proof. And if you only have one of them, you're invisible. Mistake number 5. Most experts' LinkedIn strategy isn't a strategy, it's a mood. I'll reach out when I have some time. I'll post when I have something to say. I'll follow up when I remember. You know what that generates? Nothing consistent, which means nothing predictable, which means no visibility, which means no pipeline. The experts who become visible authorities on LinkedIn are not more talented than you. They're not posting more than you. They have a system that runs whenever they feel like it or not. Visibility isn't a moment. It's a compounding result of consistent action. And consistency requires a system. Now, let's talk about how we can fix this. Every mistake I just walked through has a direct flip side. Same platform, same people, completely different approach. Here's what that looks like. Fix number one. When we fix a profile, we're not making it fancier, we're making it useful. The headline stops being a job title and starts being a value proposition. The about section stops being a biography and starts being a pitch in your voice. Every single line is written for the buyer, not the person who owns the account. When the profile is right, something changes. People start reaching back. They check your profile when you reach out. And instead of confirming their suspicion that you're just like every other vendor, the profile pulls them in. The profile is either working for you or against you. There is no neutral. Fix number two. Remember the rule. The connection request has one job: get accepted. So, what gets accepted? Something specific, something that shows you actually looked at them, a genuine shared context, a reason that has nothing to do with selling. After they connect, the first message gives them something: a resource, a piece of content that's actually relevant to them. No ask attached. No, let me know if you like to chat. Just value. That's it. This probably feels slow, but it's not. It's efficient and effective. It's the difference between a conversation that goes somewhere and a pitch that gets ignored. Visible authorities give before they ask every single time. Fix number three. One message is not a strategy. It's basically a lottery ticket. The people generating real visibility run a sequence. Here's what that looks like. First, a profile visit, a soft signal that you exist. Second, a connection request, specific, zero sales language. Third, a value drop, a resource, something genuinely useful. Fourth, generate a conversation with a question, not a pitch. One easy question that opens that conversation is gold. And fifth, if they don't respond, a respectful close. No guilt, no pressure, a clean human exit. 5 touches over a few weeks. Every single one is either giving or asking for something small. None of them are selling. And when somebody responds, because they will, you're already 3 steps into the relationship with someone who sees you as an authority, not a vendor. Number four, when someone responds, the worst thing you can do is immediately ask for 30 minutes. Instead, respond to what they said. Ask a follow-up question. Find the common ground. Give them one more piece of value before you ask for anything. The goal is to get to the point where the ask for a call feels like the next natural step, not an interruption. When you time it right, people say yes because it feels like the conversation they want to continue. That's not manipulation. That's how trust actually works. Fix number five. Everything I just described only works if it's running all of the time, not when your business is slow, not when you suddenly remember LinkedIn exists, all of the time. A system means new connections going out every week, sequences progressing automatically, conversations getting tracked. You're not thinking about it every day. You're showing up for the conversation when it happens. That's the whole game. Visibility compounds. Everyone's trying to find a shortcut around consistency. There isn't one. You can't just make AI do it. You now understand the system. A profile visit, just to signal a soft thing that you are there. A connection request, but zero sales language. A value drop, something genuinely useful to this person. Curiosity question, easy to answer, opens the conversation. And if they don't come back, a respectful close. No guilt, no pressure, no exit. And if I ask most of you to go build that today on your own, the reality is most of you wouldn't. Not because you can't, because you've got a business to run. You've got clients to deliver for, 100 other things competing for the same attention. Building a visibility system from scratch while doing everything else is the project that lives on the I'll get to it list forever. And that's exactly how experts stay invisible, not from a lack of talent, from a lack of a system that they actually run. So here's where we land. There are 3 ways to go from invisible expert to visible authority on LinkedIn. Same destination, very different timelines. First, you figure it out yourself. Everything you need is out there. You could piece it all together yourself. Most people who go this route spend 6 to 12 months making the exact same mistakes we just covered. Trial and error, ghost messages, sequences that don't convert, posting into a void. Eventually, if they stay consistent, they'll figure out what works. If you got the time and patience to learn through the mistakes, go for it. Everything from today gives you a real head start. Option two, join the lab. The lab is where you build a system with people who've already made the mistakes. Every week, live training on specific pieces of the system, profile, sequences, how to handle a response, how to move a conversation forward without killing it. Real things, stuff you can use that week. After the training, the floor opens. Bring your questions, bring your actual LinkedIn messages. We'll look at them together and fix them. Most people in the lab get to consistency in weeks, not months, because they're not figuring it out alone. And then number three, have an expert run it for you. We can run your LinkedIn for you. We build the profile, we define audiences, we write the sequences and run the outreach. We warm the conversations. You show up when the conversation is ready. Everything else, we handle it. You don't have to learn the system. You don't have to run it. You just have to show up and close. So those are the three paths. They all have the same destination. Figure it out on your own. Everything from today gives you that head start. Join the lab, skip the mistakes, build faster with the support, and have us run it for you. Whichever path you choose, the answer is the same. Consistency is the variable. Pick the path that gets you there. Thanks for spending your time with us. I'll put the links in the chat.